Could XRP really skyrocket to $22 per coin by Q2? Monica Long, Ripple's president, just made a bold prediction that has the crypto world buzzing. If her forecast comes true, this would mark one of the biggest surges in XRP's history. But what's fueling this speculation? At the same time, new developments surrounding a potential XRP spot ETF are gaining momentum, and if approved, it could bring a flood of institutional money into the market. XRP has been in the spotlight before, but this time there are real factors in play that could push its price to new all-time highs. Institutional adoption, Ripple's expanding network, and growing regulatory clarity are setting the stage for what could be a historic rally. But is $22 a realistic target, or is this just another overhyped prediction? And how does the spot ETF factor into XRP's future? In the next few minutes, we'll break down Monica Long's statement, the latest ETF updates, and what this all means for XRP holders. Monica Long's $22 price prediction for XRP has caught the attention of investors. But where did this bold target come from, as Ripple's president Monica Long is one of the most influential figures in the XRP ecosystem with direct insight into the company's strategy, partnerships, and long-term vision? When a key insider makes such a strong statement, it's not just random speculation. There are likely real factors behind it. So what's driving this prediction? One of the biggest reasons is institutional adoption. Ripple has been steadily building partnerships with banks, payment providers, and financial institutions worldwide. With its on-demand liquidity (ODL) service, XRP is being used to settle cross-border transactions instantly, removing the need for pre-funded accounts and outdated banking networks. If more institutions begin using XRP at scale, demand could surge, pushing the price higher. Another major factor is regulatory clarity. The long battle between Ripple and the SEC is nearing its final stages, and if Ripple secures a clear legal status for XRP, it could open the door for institutional investors and major financial firms to enter the market. Uncertainty has held XRP back for years, but a definitive ruling could remove that barrier, allowing for wider adoption. Additionally, Ripple is expanding beyond just payments, with talk of new financial services, lending solutions, and even central bank digital currency (CBDC) initiatives. XRP's utility could go far beyond simple transactions. If the company's plans materialize, it could significantly boost XRP's value and demand. But even with all these factors, can XRP realistically hit $22 per coin in just a few months? That kind of price movement would require an enormous shift in market dynamics. One key catalyst that could make it possible is the potential approval of an XRP spot ETF, something that could bring a wave of institutional money into the market. Let's break down the latest ETF news and how it could impact XRP's price. The possibility of an XRP spot ETF is gaining attention, and if approved, it could be one of the biggest catalysts for XRP's price surge. But what exactly is a spot ETF, and why does it matter? Unlike futures-based ETFs, which rely on derivative contracts, a spot ETF would require direct purchases of XRP, meaning institutions and investors will be buying and holding real XRP, not just speculating on price movements. This could create a massive increase in demand, reducing available supply and driving up the price. The success of Bitcoin spot ETFs has already proven how powerful these investment vehicles can be. Since their approval, Bitcoin has seen billions of dollars flow into the market, pushing its price higher. If an XRP spot ETF were to be approved, we could see a similar effect, with institutional money flooding into XRP and creating sustained buying pressure. This could be a key factor in pushing XRP toward Monica Long's $22 price target. But will the SEC approve an XRP ETF? That remains a big question. The agency has been strict when it comes to crypto regulations, and its legal battle with Ripple has been a major roadblock. However, if Ripple secures regulatory clarity in its ongoing lawsuit, it could open the door for ETF approval. Major investment firms and financial institutions are already exploring crypto ETFs, and with growing demand for diversified crypto investments, an XRP spot ETF could become a reality sooner than expected. If this happens, it wouldn't just impact XRP. it could change how institutional investors view the entire crypto market. ETFs make it easier for hedge funds, pension funds, and retail investors to gain exposure to XRP without dealing with exchanges or self-custody. This could bring in billions of dollars and drive XRP to price levels that were previously thought impossible. But does this really mean XRP can hit $22 per coin? While the ETF news is exciting, let's take a closer look at whether such a price surge is realistic and what other factors need to align to make it happen. A jump to $22 per XRP would be one of the most dramatic price increases in crypto history, but is it actually possible? To understand if this prediction is realistic, we need to break down historical price trends, institutional adoption, supply and demand mechanics, and potential challenges that could impact XRP's growth. Looking at XRP's past bull runs, we've seen that when momentum builds, it moves fast. During the 2017 bull run, XRP skyrocketed from less than $0, 1 cent, to over $3 in a matter of months, proving that massive price movements are possible under the right conditions. However, for XRP to reach $22, it would require a much larger influx of capital, potentially trillions of dollars in market cap. While this seems extreme, it's not impossible if institutional investors and financial institutions fully integrate XRP into their payment networks. One of the biggest drivers of this potential price surge is institutional adoption. Ripple's on-demand liquidity, ODL service, is already being used by banks and financial firms to settle transactions instantly, removing the need for pre-funded accounts. If major financial institutions increase their usage of XRP, it could create a massive surge in demand, reducing supply and pushing prices higher. Combine this with the potential launch of an XRP spot ETF, and the flood of institutional money could drive prices to new all-time highs. But it's not all guaranteed. There are challenges and risks that could slow down XRP's growth. Regulatory uncertainty is still a major factor, and while Ripple has made progress in its legal battle, the SEC's stance on XRP could still impact investor confidence. Additionally, market conditions play a huge role. If Bitcoin enters another bull run and pulls the entire market up, XRP could benefit. But if the overall market struggles, XRP's growth could be limited. The bottom line? XRP reaching $22 is possible, but it would require multiple factors aligning perfectly, including institutional adoption, regulatory clarity, and a strong bull market. While some analysts see this as a long-term target, others believe that XRP could still see major gains, even if it doesn't hit that exact price. So what does all of this mean for XRP holders? Should investors be preparing for a breakout, or is it smarter to remain cautious? Let's break down what XRP investors should be doing right now to position themselves for the future. With all these developments, XRP holders are now faced with a big question. What should you do next? Should you buy more, hold your position, or wait for more confirmation before making any moves? While no one can predict the market with certainty, understanding the key factors at play can help investors make smart decisions. If you're betting on XRP's long-term potential, holding on to your investment could be a solid strategy. Ripple is expanding its partnerships, growing its on-demand liquidity network, and working toward regulatory clarity, all of which could drive demand for XRP in the coming years. If a spot ETF is approved and institutional adoption continues to grow,